Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use your Parasym device. It's an easy process that you'll quickly become familiar with. Once you have your device set up, but before you put the electrode earpiece in, it's beneficial to apply a small amount of lotion or hand cream to the inside and outside of your tragus. That's this part of your ear. The lotion increases both comfort and conductivity, but apply it sparingly, as too much may cause the earpiece to slip. Also, don't use a cream with an SPF factor, as this can compromise conductivity. Run the cable around the back of your neck and shoulders so that the earpiece cable hangs easily from your left ear. We suggest using the left ear because it aligns with the vagus nerve and enhances treatment results. Now, clip the electrode onto your tragus, making sure to handle the clip with care when placing it on your ear. Open up the Parasym device and press the Power On button. Using the increase arrow button that aligns with the port where the cable is plugged in, slowly adjust the intensity up by 1 level per second. You can also use the PR and PW buttons to increase pulse rate and pulse width. Don't rush, and stop as soon as you feel a tingling sensation. If the sensation becomes uncomfortable or too intense, adjust down using the decrease button until you find a stimulation intensity that is right for you. The sensation should feel mild and tingling, like tiny champagne bubbles popping, but without any sharpness or discomfort. Once you have found your personal comfort zone, close the device and settle in for a pleasant hour of treatment. It's not unusual for your comfort levels to change during a session, and you can adjust the intensity up or down without ending the session. It's also normal for your comfort levels to change daily according to stress, time of day, and skin conductivity. Typically, an adult will feel comfortable with slightly higher stimulation intensity profiles, somewhere in the region of 25 to 30 Hz. Once you have completed the recommended 60 minutes of treatment, the device will turn off automatically. Some key points to consider. Do not raise the stimulation intensity to a level where you feel any discomfort or pain. The Parasym device is extremely simple to clean, and you should always do this before use, when the device is off and the electrode earpiece is unplugged. Use a damp cloth to wipe the device and cables, and, if necessary, a mild soap and water solution. Never get the device wet or use any cleaning solution other than soap and water. If the low battery light starts flashing at any time, replace the batteries immediately, being careful not to get moisture on the internal circuitry or inside the battery compartment. For more details, consult your user manual. We hope you enjoy your Parasym journey.